何エイさん
You know what he wants.
What do you want? Isa, what do you want? Where you wanna go?
I don't think it's that.
Where you wanna go?
He wants treat toy.
What do you want?
You want treat toy?
You want a chicken jerky? You wanna go to the park? You wanna go for a walk?
Careful what you say.
What do you want? Asa, you didn't eat. You didn't eat dinner.
I'm more hungry.
You didn't eat. I told you, if you don't eat, no park. Remember? I told you, if you eat, we go to the park. If you don't eat, no park. Asa, don't go to the park. Remember? What did I tell you? Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Asa, speak. Asa,